Hey, come here.
Bad boys,
You'll never
what
see
you
me alive.
want, what you want, what you gonna do?
I got a prescription for that. Come on, man. What?
Come for you.
I'm gonna park the car right there.
Tell me what you gonna do.
All right, I'll bring him in quick back.
Bad boys.
Come on, man. I'll build you a house with Legos.
What's the problem, officer?
Bad boys. Now what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Pablo Escobar let me borrow you.
Character Cops was filmed on location with the men and women of the fake law enforcement.
We got a cold P90 in pursuit of a publicly intoxicated person. You see these bad guys, they think they can, they think they can take advantage of the law. We're not gonna have that. Not on my watch. I think I see him laying down right now. This is my favorite part. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is our suspect right here. We're gonna have to see what he's about. Okay, so it's obvious this guy's wasted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get him up. We're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna fill it out. Make sure his hands are clean. We're gonna do all that stuff. You're snoring? That's a telltale sign. Yep. Telltale sign.
Opa, give me the princess back.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna get him up. He's obviously out of it. We're gonna get him up. His pupils.
Body,
Hey, get up. Hey.
It's me, Mario.
You know where you're at?
Yeah, I just got off of work.
Work? Where you work?
In the store.
Okay, store.
Yes, sir.
This guy's clearly out of it. No.
I'm not doing nothing.
What's today?
Today is Tuesday. What? What is it?
It's Sunday. Just look at his eyes.
Oh,
His eyes is all. Look at his eyes chinked up. Look.
What are you talking about, officer?
Yeah, he can't see.
I can't see. The light is very strong.
This is a telltale sign when they can't see. All right, you come with me. Come on. So right now we got backup coming in. He's gonna help us out with this suspect. I don't know what he's doing over here. Hey, don't you move. Keep that mustache in place. So we'll figure it out. Let's go.
Partner?
Yeah. Huh?
Something going on? What?
Sir. There's a. Why that scared me? There's this guy over here. You should look at him, sir.
Okay. Suspicious. What's going on?
Just you gotta check it
Oh,
out. please,
gotta
sir.
check it out. Yeah,
we need your
gotcha,
expertise.
gotcha.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hands against the wall, buddy. I didn't tell you to look at me.
It's a me,
What does the
Mario.
M stand for?
Me? It's a Mario.
And all in red, are you gangbanging?
No.
No one's talking to you.
No, I didn't want to know. I want to talk because I can say what I know. I'll start singing like 6ix9ine. What do you want to know?
Put your hands against the wall.
Anyway, boom. Pull up. He's laying down. Gun everywhere.
Gun?
Oh, no, hey.
Put your hands against the
I
wall.
don't know.
It was AK-47.
What?
Okay.
But anyway, he was just really, like he was belligerent for no reason.
I did not.
Oh, so we got
Hey, no one's talking to you.
So we got a tough guy back here with all these causing all these problems.
Oh, here we go.
AKs and M's on your hat. You're a gangbanger?
No.
Gotta be.
What? No, a Mario Party.
Suspicious.
What are we doing here again? Did you get this information?
I need some information. I am sorry. I skipped that step.
Turn around.
What are you doing? Okay.
Keep turning.
Oh no! What are you
Keep
doing?
turning around.
What am I doing?
Now stop.
Hammer time.
Now go with him.
Very funny. See, look, he can't even walk.
I'm not doing
This guy can't even walk.
Put
Come.
your hands up.
It's a bit of a misunderstanding.
I bet it is. What's your name again?
Mario.
Okay, last name?
Mario.
Okay. All right, Mario.
Yes.
Where you from?
Mushroom Kingdom.
That's on the east side? Explain that to me. This Mushroom Kingdom.
It's they got a lot of grass, Koopa Troopas. We have mystery boxes. One of this Goombas.
Okay, so you're definitely in something.
What? Do you work for Bowser? Essential? It's just a play game. I got to go. So it's no problem.
It's definitely a problem. You stay right there. We're gonna have to run through that sobriety test because you.
A what?
Come here.
I'm right here. What?
Not you.
Oh. Sorry.
The suspect is definitely on some kind of hallucinogen. He's under the influence of something.
What?
We're definitely. I smell. Every time he talks, I smell something. So that's a telltale sign that we got to give him a sobriety test. We're gonna
what?
handle that right now. Yes, you. I don't know why he's so close. I feel endangered, but I'm a man. First test. Pull my finger. Okay. Over here.
What is that? It was a trick move.
You see this light right here? I'm gonna need you to walk it.
It's easy. I told you. I don't have no problem.
You got, okay. Yeah. Okay.
I have perfect balance. Oh.
So he's obviously trying to make a couple dollars. You can tell. Double cheeked up. Officer. You got any ones? Yeah, over here. Yep.
What is it? All of this?
Yeah. You get against the wall.
So what did you find out about him?
I'm innocent.
This guy's delusional.
Uh-huh.
First of all, his name is Mario. I gave him the test, right?
Uh-huh.
He was everywhere. Thought it was Cardi B. You know, he was on the pole just twerking. I don't know what that was.
I got some WAP.
What do you think we should do?
We definitely got to give him a cavity search.
Okay, we'll handle that.
Oh, it's on you.
You go ahead.
What?
I did it last time. I'm not doing that. You go ahead.
Man, she was thick.
Just go.
I don't have any cavity. I brush
Your
on my
hands against
teeth.
the wall.
You know what? You're right. Let me,
Okay.
I got this.
I got your back.
Let me see.
Go in deep. Oh!
No, see, I knew it. I knew. I knew.
Oh!
I never miss. I never miss.
Okay.
I knew I was a good cop. I knew I was a good cop.
What?
Okay.
Come on now.
I didn't. That's not what it looked
Turn
like.
around.
I bet.
You turn around, buddy. Hey, come here for a second.
Yeah. So, yes, sir.
We gotta get him to snitch, right?
Absolutely.
We gotta pull a Tekashi 6ix9ine.
Absolutely.
Whole scenario.
Yes.
Good cop, bad cop.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
with it.
You're the bad cop.
Yeah.
I'm the good cop. Go at him.
Sounds good. Okay. So that's what you want to do? You just want to walk around with mushrooms in your pocket? Okay.
No.
Is that what we doing? Okay.
Listen, I don't
Oh,
know.
you think you a man? Okay, because you just walking with mushrooms in your pocket? Okay. is that
Those
what
are
you
not
want?
mine.
Okay. Oh, it's not yours?
No.
Whose is it? King Kong? Huh? King Kong ain't got shit on me.
No, it's you know, those are. I was holding them for a friend.
Oh, so these ain't yours? Huh?
No.
Oh, okay.
Those are Donkey Kong.
Okay.
He told me to hold them. I said, oh no. Are you sure that this is mine? It came out of my pocket.
Okay, this is yours.
Let
This
me
is what
see.
you're saying? Okay.
Hold on. Is this?
Okay. Getting high on your own supply. Okay, nobody does that around here.
What? It's not mine.
Yeah, you're definitely going to jail. It's yours. Definitely
take
yours.
cash out?
What's happening here?
Ma'am, do you know this man?
Yeah, he's my ex-boyfriend.
Okay. Is that what it-
Princess, you kick me out of the house, and then you move my brother Luigi, and then she cheated on me with my brother.
Hush, there's a baby here.
That's not my baby, huh? He look just like Luigi.
This is your
This
baby.
is some Jerry Springer. I don't know what's going on.
Listen,
we
you
gonna
need to
get
get
we
out
gonna
of
get a
here.
word from her because
I'm right
doing too
here.
much right
What are you
now.
doing?
You
What
stay
am I
over
doing?
there. You stay over there. So we got a couple questions. So what's your name first of all?
It's Princess.
Princess. Okay, Sis Princess. Very good name.
Thank
Oh,
you.
you got a kind baby. How old? Oh,
Excuse me? You're not even writing anything down.
no one's even talking to you. Turn
Turn
around.
I know, he keeps showing up in my front yard, all drunk and all messed up. I just can't do it anymore.
That's not me. Somebody else.
Yes,
With
it is
red
you,
clothes and
Mario. I
overalls.
just don't want to do it
See,
anymore.
this is a classic case of a domestic incident.
You know what?
He's on too many mushrooms. He can't even recognize his own daughter.
See,
I don't have a problem.
we're gonna handle this for you. He's just being, whatever you need from me. I can definitely get that settled for you. He's not gonna be a problem any longer because he's just. You can
my
just
God,
tell.
Why
he's
are you talking?
Sir. Is that what? Stand back.
What is that? This is not a professional. You're trying to talk to the princess.
Hey, listen, man. We can do this the easy way, or the hard way.
What is that?
You know what? Come here. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with it.
You don't scare me, because I got a this. Here we go! Woo!
Hey, where you going? Get back here! Get my gun! Get in the fight!
Ow! My nipple!
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back.
Ah, my ass.
Nothing like getting the criminal out the street. It's in my whole life for this moment.
Kick on my legs.
Getting these criminals. When they're hit, game isn't a hit anymore.
Ow!
They turn to scum on the street.
Okay, I go.
He's gonna be doing time for a long time.
142, got him at gunpoint. Barney's on the loose.
Stay tuned for the next episode. It gets crazy. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You need to like this video. I will literally not stop the video until you like the video. Like, what's not to like? Like, it was kind of funny, like some parts, right? Just like the video, and then I'll just end the video, or I'll stay here forever. I don't have anything else to do, so The music just stopped. There's nothing else going on. Can you like the video? And then I'll go. Is that cool? There it is. Okay. You like the video. All right, cool. See you on the next one.